This digital torque wrench delivers precision and reliability. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. In the package you get instructions, a hard carrying case, several common socket sizes, screwdriver attachments, and the torque wrench itself. You are able to change directions like any ratchet. There are 6 different presets: peak or track. All the sockets lock on, push to release. I'll use this screwdriver attachment as a demo. Even the attachments lock in. You have to push this up in order to release them. Otherwise, they are in there good. And that's great because when you pull out of a tool, you don't want to leave your bit behind. That will not happen with this. Big plus. I'll use the down arrows to reduce. Now that it's a lower number, you can see how this works. When you are approximately 85% to your target setting, it will start to flash, and once you reach the setting, it will alarm and the red light will show up. Let me give you a demo. Here's a piece of shop furniture. I'll set this to 20. You can see it getting closer. See. Perfect. That shows just how easy it is to use this tool, and I like easy. You have 4 different measurements, foot-pounds. As much as I would love to use just one method, say for example foot-pounds per square inch, sometimes the instructions you're reading are listing a different method. You will not have to do any conversions, no conversion tables, no chance for errors because you converted it wrong. You can simply choose exactly which one of these 4 methods you need. I like having that choice. If you need to follow exact specifications for how tight a bolt or screw needs to be, especially on very sensitive engine parts, this tool is easy to use and it's precise, and I really like it.